Hello class 1, good afternoon. So class 1, as we are learning describing words and we have done some exercises in the book also. Okay, so again we are here with grammar, English grammar chapter 4 and you have to take out page number 26. Page number 26 you have to take out, and in page number 26 we will be doing this exercise, describing words and their opposites. Let me tell you one more time that what are describing words. Describing words क्या होते हैं? जो describing words naming words के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं, those words are called describing words. Okay, and the describing words can be colors, they can be numbers, and they can tell about the shape, they can tell about the size of the object or the naming word. Okay, and which kind of naming word? Any kind of naming word, whether it is a person, place, animal or thing. Okay, so here on page number 26 there is an exercise that match these describing words with their opposites. So I am here to match those words and see what are the words. It is cheap, in, open, white, cool, weak, sell, first, back, right. So these are the words, those are describing words and we have to match them to their opposites. उनके opposite से match करना है. ठीक है, तो opposite से match कैसे करेंगे हम? Opposite का मतलब क्या होता है? Opposite means उल्टे शब्द या उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द, like big, small, far, near, long, short. जैसे ये opposite words है वैसे ही ये भी opposite words है, but we have to search it. So let's get started. Cheap. Cheap का मतलब होता है which has less value in rupees. ठीक है, cheap का मतलब होता है हिंदी में उसको सस्ता कहते हैं. So cheap has a opposite word costly. See, I am here putting number 1. Why I am putting number 1, do you know? I am putting number 1 because cheap is at number 1. Now next is in. In क्या मतलब होता है अंदर, out means बाहर. Number 2. Next open. Open का मतलब होता है खोलना. The opposite word is close. Close का मतलब होता है बंद करना. Open is at number 3, so I am putting number 3 here. Number 4 is wide. Wide का मतलब होता है चौड़ा. ठीक है, and the opposite of wide is narrow, and wide is at number 4 and we have to match it with narrow. That means narrow will have number 4. Next is number 5, cool. Number 5 is cool. Cool means शीतल या ठंडा, and the opposite of cool is warm. Warm. That means here we will put number 5. Next, number 6, weak. Weak मतलब होता है कमज़ोर, and the opposite of weak is strong. So put number 6 here. Next, number 7, sell. Sell का मतलब होता है बेचना और बेचने का opposite होता है खरीदना. That means the opposite of word sell is buy. Number 9. Number 8, first. First means pehla, and the opposite of first is always last. Last. Put number 8 here. Sorry, it was number 7. First, last. Put number 8. Add number 9, black. Black, the opposite of black is white. Put number 9 here after white, and the last one is right. Right means sahi, and there are two kinds of right. RIGST right का मतलब सही होता है, और RIGST right का मतलब दायां भी होता है, और दायां का उल्टा बायां होता है. ओके, बट हियर राइट मीन्स सही, और सही का ऑपोजिट होता है गलत. तो दैट मीन्स राइट, रॉन्ग. नाउ सी व्हाट आर द नंबर. द नंबर आर the matching that we have matched from here to here are 6, 3, 5, 10, 1, 9, 8, 2, 7, 4. See, why madam has put numbers? Do you know? Because जब हम मैचिंग करते हैं ना, तो सारे लाइन्स आपस में confusing हो जाते हैं. That's why madam has put numbers. Okay, now come to the next exercise. What is the next exercise? The next exercise is write the opposites of the word in the bracket to complete these sentences. हर एक sentence में एक word दिया हुआ है in the bracket. Like here at number 1 it is short यानी छोटा. Number 2 it is LIGST light यानी हल्का. Number 3 it is GOOD good यानी कि अच्छा. Number 4 it is CLEAN clean means साफ. Number 5 it is POOR poor. Poor means गरीब. Number 6 it is LAST last. Last मतलब सबसे बाद में या आखिरी. And Number 7 it is small. Small का मतलब होता है छोटा. Ugly. Ugly means बुरी. Okay, actually this word is not to be used by the students and teachers, but then also if it is in book we have to use it. Okay, so the meaning of ugly is one which is not beautiful. जो दिखने में beautiful नहीं है उसे ugly कहते हैं. Okay, now at number 9 it is RAW, raw. Raw means कच्चा, and here it is blunt. Blunt का मतलब होता है जो sharp नहीं है, जिसमें नोक नहीं है. Like this pencil is not sharp, it is blunt. See the point, it is not sharp. जब मैं इसे sharpener से sharp करूँगी तो it will become sharp. So now it is blunt. Likewise, so what we need to do, we have to write the opposite of these red letter words in the blank. So here let me read the sentence and let me write the opposite of it. The Qutub Minar is a dash building. The Qutub Minar is a tall building. So we will write here tall. TALL, tall. Tall. The Qutub Minar is tall, and tall is the opposite of short. He is carrying a dash bag. वो एक light bag carry कर रहा है. And the opposite of light is heavy. Now the sentence says he is carrying a heavy bag. That means वो एक heavy bag carry कर रहा है. Number 3. Keep out of dash company. Keep out of good company. अच्छे लोगों के साथ मत रहो. This sentence says अच्छे लोगों के साथ मत रहो. but we have to write the opposite of good and it is bad, bad. So the meaning changes to keep out of bad company. बुरे लोगों के साथ मत रहो. Number 4. I can't wear a dash shirt to the school. मैं एक साफ, क्लीन का मतलब होता है साफ, मैं साफ शर्ट नहीं पहन सकता हूँ. बट वी हैव टू राइट द ऑपोजिट ऑफ क्लीन, दैट इज डर्टी. एंड द मीनिंग चेंजेस टू, मीनिंग चेंज होके क्या हो गया? आई कांट वियर अ डर्टी शर्ट टू स्कूल. मैं गंदी शर्ट स्कूल पहनकर नहीं जा सकता. या फिर मैं स्कूल गंदी शर्ट नहीं पहन सकता हूँ. स्कूल में गंदी शर्ट नहीं पहन सकता हूँ. नंबर 5. तनीमा's फादर इज अ डैश मैन. तनीमा के पापा एक गरीब व्यक्ति हैं. ओके, गरीब मीन्स वन विच हैज लेस मनी, जिसके इनके पास पैसे कम होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड पुअर. ओके, और वन विच हु हैज प्रॉब्लम्स in terms of money. So here we have to write the opposite of poor, that is rich. And the sentence becomes Tanima's father is a rich man. Number 6. Rishi always comes last in his class. ऋषि हमेशा अपने क्लास में लास्ट पोजीशन में आता है. But we have to write the opposite of last and it is first, and the meaning changes to Rishi always comes first in his class. ऋषि हमेशा क्लास में फर्स्ट आता है. FIRST, first. Now next is number 7. An elephant is a small animal. According to this bracket word, elephant is a small animal. But we have to write the opposite of small, that is big. So the sentence changes to an elephant is a big animal. Elephant एक बड़ा animal होता है, बड़ा जानवर होता है. Now number 8 is Ira is a dash woman. Ugly. The opposite of ugly is beautiful. 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 Ira is a beautiful woman. Now number 9 is her bag is full of dash mangoes. उसके बैग में, उसका बैग कच्चे आमों से भरा हुआ है. But we have to write this word raw, RAW, raw. It means कच्चे आम. Okay, and what is the meaning of, what is the opposite of kacha? It is pakka. So her bag is full of ripe mangoes. RIPE, ripe. तो अब इस सेंटेंस का क्या मीनिंग हो गया? द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज नाउ her bag is full of ripe mangoes. उसके बैग में, उसका बैग पके आमों से भरा हुआ है. Number 10. She is cutting fruits with a blunt knife. वो फ्रूट्स एक बिना धार वाले, है ना, बिना धार वाले चाकू से कटिंग कर रही है फ्रूट्स को. And when we write the opposite of blunt here, and the opposite of blunt is SHARP, sharp, it becomes, the meaning becomes she is cutting fruits with a sharp knife. वो fruits को एक sharp knife से cut कर रही है. So here we have done one exercise. And the answers are number 1 tall, number 2 heavy, number 3 bad, number 4 dirty, number 5 rich, number 6 first, number 7 big, number 8 beautiful, number 9 ripe, and number 10 is SHARP, sharp. Okay, now come to the next exercise, and the next exercise is again the same one. You have to write the opposite words. New. New means naya. The opposite of new is old. Stop. The opposite of stop is start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Here, off. Off means band karna. Opposite of off is on. Tall. Opposite of tall is S-H-O-R-T. Short. Now turn the page and open page number 27. Oh, there are many words. Left, left. Left. The opposite of left is right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Number 4. Hot. Opposite of hot is cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. See, I am writing with capital letters. You also have to write capital letters because the words are given in capital. So we have to fill the missing place with capital letter only. क्योंकि सारे कैपिटल लेटर में है तो हमको भी मिसिंग जो स्पेस है उसको कैपिटल में ही फिल करना होगा. लिटिल, बिग. B-I-G, big. High. High means ऊंचा. L-O-W, low is the opposite word. Fat. T-H-I-N. Thin. Slow. Opposite is fast. Next is night. Opposite is day. Next is good. The opposite of good is B-A-D, bad. Next, dark. Dark का मतलब क्या होता है? The meaning of dark is अंधेरा. Okay. So it is light. Light has two meaning. है ना? Light का दो meaning होता है. पहला light का मतलब होता है हल्का, ठीक है, जो heavy ना हो. और दूसरा light का मतलब होता है रोशनी. D-R-Y, dry. Dry means सूखा. W-E-T, wet. Wet means गीला. Sit. Sit means बैठना. S-T-A-N-D, stand means खड़े होना. Back. Back means पीछे. Front means सामने. Okay. B-A-C-K, back. F-R-O-N-T, front. And here it is H-A-P-P-Y, happy. And the opposite of happy is S-A-D, sad. Now what we have to do you know that? हमको ये सारे words जो हमने लिखे हैं वो हमको crossword में लिखना है. ठीक है? So at number 1 we have to write O-L-D, old. Where is number 1? Number 1. O-L-D, old. At number 2, we have to write start. Here it is 2. S-T-A-R-T, start. At number 3, we have to write R-I-G-S-T, right. Where is number 3? Number 3 is, yes, here it is. So write R-I-G-S-T, right. At number 4, we have to write cold. Where is number 4? Here. So write here cold. C-O-L-D, cold. At number 5, we have to write big. Number 5, B-I-G, big. At number 6, we have to write low. Where is number 6? Here. L-O-W, low. Now next is at number 8, we have to write thin. ये वही words है जो हमने अभी यहाँ पर fill किए हैं. The same we have to fill here also. At number 8, we have to write thin. Where is number 8? Number 8. Where is number 8? Why I am not getting? Yes, it is here. Thin, thin. At number 11, we have to write fast. Where is number 9? Okay. At number 11, we have to write fast. Where is number 11? Here. Here. So we have to write fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Now the next is at number 13. We have to write D-A-Y, day. Number 13. Here. D-A-Y, day. Now next is at number 5. We have to write bad. Number 5, we have to write bad. Here it is B-A-D, bad. Next is at number 7, we have to write light. Number 7, search number 7, it is here. See, L-I-G-H-T, light. At number 9, we have to write wet. Number 9, W-E-T, wet. At number 10, we have to write stand. Number 10, here. Write S-T-A-N-D, stand. At number 11, we have to write front. Number 11, here it is. F-R-O-N-T, front. And at number 12, we have to write sad. S-A-D, sad. Okay. Now, there are two twos. Okay. दो टू थे यहाँ पर, देखो एक ये वाला टू भी था जिसमें टॉल का शॉर्ट लिखना था, दैट इज लेफ्ट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर S-H-O-R-T, short. Okay, so class 1, this was your class. We have completed this chapter 4, describing words today. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.